If you really want to know how I made this beautiful plate of food, keep watching. Today we're going to be making some roasted vegetables and ground lamb with chickpeas. Let's get to cooking. I got myself a nice little squash. I'm also using some red skin potato. And a small bag of purple potatoes. Everything is nicely scrubbed and ready for cutting. Remember to cut the veggies in equal sizes so they can all be evenly cooked. And continue with the same size for the potatoes. I'm coating my vegetables with olive oil, or you can also use avocado oil. Add seasonings, onion powder, garlic powder, some lemon pepper. I love lemon pepper seasoning, a little parsley, and some vegetable seasoning, salt and pepper. And you rub that in very well. Make sure every piece is coated. And we're going to do the same for the broccoli and onions. I'm oiling my sheet pan and getting ready to pour in my veggies. It was a lot for one pan, so I had to use two. And I'm doing the same here. Oil a pan and get your broccoli and onions on it. Can't be too crowded. Ooh, red pepper flakes, my favorite. So there you have it in the oven at 350. I'm chopping the aromatics for the meat. Garlic, onion, tomato, scotch bonnet pepper, scallion, fresh thyme, no dry thyme, fresh thyme, fresh thyme. So the veggies are halfway done, so I'm giving it a quick stir, making sure every piece is touching the pan. And I'm going to put it back in the oven. Same thing for the broccoli and the onions. I also added some frozen mixed vegetables to the fresh aromatics, a little salt, and you saute that. Then add your meat right into that well. You add your favorite seasoning to the meat. Whatever seasons you like, steak seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder. I'm using that Cajun seasoning, which is, it will give it a nice little kick. Salt and pepper. And those are dried rosemary. I did not have fresh one. I had those dried ones. I didn't want to throw them out, so I used them up. And this is some Hawaiian sweet and sour sauce and a little brown sugar. Just a little toops of water. And you leave that to simmer. When you're comfortable, you add your chickpeas. Get everything well nice together. And then finish it off with some all-purpose seasoning. It was ready to serve. Wow, look at that plate. Good. Yeah, man, we are eating good over here. Welcome to the table. Make sure to like and subscribe before you go. Bye.